Hello guys, dito lalaro tayo ng airplane simulator.
Simulator.
Simulator. I don't know that name.
I don't know that name.
Let's just get started flying this. Just wait.
So what did you do there?
I just freaking make it fly. Then I teach my sister to fly it.
What?
I teach Aya how to fly it.
Are you teacher?
No, I teach her.
Yeah. Okay. So there you are. Are you inside that airplane now?
Yeah. Why?
I see. So where's Aya?
I just wait for her.
Papasok ba siya dyan? Sa airplane? Or hindi?
Papasok ka man.
Oh, mag-under ka na eh. Oh, you fly already na eh. Oh. Mag-fly na ba yan? Hindi pa. Nag-run pa? Nag-run pa siya? So, why you run too fast?
Para lumipad.
But, that's too fast.
Yeah, airplanes go like that.
No, not like that. You're a bad captain. You need to practice more.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Oh, where are you going?
I'm going the wrong buwat kun.
Huh?
Wrong direction. So, I'm going back.
Going back.
I'm just gonna do something dangerous.
Oh my goodness.
Crashing a plane to the volcano. Pero yung wing yung sumabit. Sumasabit yung airplane. Papunta ako sa
Nasabit.
masabit. Pumasok ako sa volcano.
Volcano.
Opo.
Ba't mo naman binangga yung airplane?
Just watch.
Di ba dapat magpunta ka sa direction mo?
Just crash this.
Bad. Bad pilot.
Bruh.
You're not allowed to be a pilot. If
Bruh.
you crash that airplane, the passengers are so kawawa.
Bruh.
Yeah.
Bruh. My engine is up. My engine
Oh, what happened?
is up. Yung engine ko patay.
Patay. Bakit na?
Ayan na. Inan ko
Oh.
na.
What
Finally.
happened?
Palaglag kasi.
Bakit nawala yung engine?
Hindi ko alam. Kinokontrol ko lang.
Oh. What happened?
Sobrang laking pinili ko. Cargo plane yan.
Oh, what happened now?
Papunta ko sa volcano.
And then,
After that, just watch that.
what volcano? That's island.
Volcano place.
Island.
Yeah, I'm gonna freaking
Diyan
crash.
ka ba dapat mag-land or in another direction?
In another direction naman.
Another location?
Oo, kakarash ako.
Oh, may volcano nga pala sa island. So, that's an island with a
Pababa ako.
volcano.
Pababa ako.
Oh my goodness.
Pero I just freaking drive past it.
Okay.
So I'm coming back for the volcano again.
So guys, huwag kayong sumakay sa kanya guys. Hindi siya good pilot guys. Mag-crash kayo. Tingnan mo. Imbis pupunta siya sa correct direction guys, dadalhin niya kayo sa ibang direction.
Tingnan mo oh.
Bad yun guys. Diba?
Diba?
Mm.
Pinatay ko yung engine ko.
So bad. Look what have you done. It crashed already.
Lalangit yan. Langit.
Oh my goodness.
Kaya tumalan ako.
Wala na.
Langit.
So, dyan na siya live sa island. Hindi na siya makabalik sa location niya, guys.
Magsiswimming ako sa volcano.
Sira na yung niya, airplane. Anong nagsiswimming sa volcano? Madad ka doon.
Sa Roblox.
Ang init yung volcano.
Oh, pumasok kanina ako.
Oh, and then what happened?
Nag-live ako.
Ba't ka nag-live?
Tsaka nag-play ako ng ibang game.
Kasi
Tatlong
you
games.
lose. Kasi you failed. That's why. Oh my goodness, very wrong.
Lumalangit yung aeroplano ko pag sumakay ako.
Lumalangit. Ito yun yung lumalangit. Yan. Buti guys, walang passenger. Siya lang guys.
Namatay na.
Oh. Very, very, very wrong.
Umalon ako.
Shucks. See that? Oh, tapos, saan ka na?
Tingnan mo lang.
Ayan. Oh. What happened?
Madulas. Diba pataas ako? Pag gagawin ako.
And then, oh,
Magsiswimming.
that's lava.
Oo, magsiswimming naman. Mau.
That's lava.
Magsiswimming talaga ako dyan.
Oh.
Wow, ang sarap ng tubig. Wow, ang sarap ng tubig.